Good morning from Price, Utah. It's afternoon. It's 1 o'clock. Stopped and did some laundry, and now we're going to go find some camping and maybe some shooting. This is where the match is next week. Starts next Friday. The range is open, I think Thursday through Sunday. That'd be a lot of fun to go and play with my rifle out to 1,000 yards. They've got gongs set up all the way out. What does Max think? It's kind of warm, huh? It's 80 degrees and it's feeling a little warm, but it's good. Max is just a warm puppy dog. There's a dude with a vest, obviously trying to, well, he's not covering up much. Okay, so we got Sudsy Duds here. Very cool. Was able to pull off the road and into the parking lot and pop the slide out, have a shower, have a shave. I'm looking a lot better. There's Price. Okay, we'll see you guys on the road. 29 Mile Canyon Road. Just outside Price, maybe inside Price. It's this way. Let's check it out.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Looking for a camping spot. There's supposedly one up here a little ways. Okay, took a turn, turned into a dirt road, which is good. Should be right up here. I think we found it. It's Thursday. What's the date? 29th or the 30th. We're headed back to Price to the shooting range, and we're going to go shooting. There's Max. Good morning, Max. You want to go shooting? Okay, let's go shooting. Here's our campsite for the night. Very peaceful. Here we go. Coolest range I've been to. Complete with a golf cart to go out to 1,000 yards. Yeah. There's 200 yards. I was hitting it. And then out to 300. Still not a problem at 300. Right, what I was aiming for. 500. Starting to get a little interesting. I still hit it a couple of times. Pretty windy. 600. I see 3 or 4 impacts. I don't know for sure, but yeah, that's me in the white right there. And I think right there. Yeah, I think a high one right there. Conditions are getting interesting. Oh yeah, hit the plate a couple of times. Yeah, a few. 700. That's where things got really interesting. There's a bullseye. Nice. And one high. I'm not sure what else. That's about it. 800. I see one good hit. For sure. Right there. Maybe. I couldn't reach those high ones to spray paint them, but yeah, there might have been a couple more. Anyway, I hit it. Well, I know I hit it because I heard it go boing. I don't know. Could be them anywhere. Could be the high ones. I don't know. I know I hit it a couple of times. Probably that one right there is one. Yeah, hard to say for sure. 1,000 yards is a long ways no matter how you slice it. Yeah, cool day. Castle Gate Town. Well, I need another box of ammo. Yeah, that's all the ammo I got. Take a right here and then a right on 10, and it's BLM for miles and miles and miles.